Naanata sa tunga-tunga sa May and summer will officially end soon. And while we are still enjoying summer, usa sa mga nindot buhaton during summer is ang magpabugnaw, ang mga liko, and our destination for today is ang Dayhag Falls sa Boljoon. Dayhag Falls is located sa Sitio Ilaya, Upper Becerril of the municipality of Boljoon. If wala kay own motorcycle, you may ride a habal-habal to get to Sitio Ilaya. From the starting place, which is sa lungsod sa Boljoon, it will take you approximately 20 to 30 minutes before mo moabot sa Dayhag. And the view on your ride to the falls is truly something rewarding. Once you are there, makita nimo ang entrance that is marked by a welcoming sign. And the environmental fee for every tourist is 20 pesos.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Dayhag Boljoon. Ulit na, mag-dayhag na kita.
Go!
Dayhag na level 1.
Hip ka Dayhag! Dayhag Waterfalls has multiple levels, ensuring there are always wonders to explore. If naa ka sa Dayhag, you will surely feel positive vibes. Kay ang ngalan pa lang sa mga waterfall levels, lakas maka good vibes. First level is Joy, nga naay 2 to 7 feet ang gilawmon. Second level is Love. Muni siya ang love. Ano man siya ng love, wago. Third level is Peace, nga naay 4.11 feet ang gilawmon. Fourth level is Kindness. Og ang fifth level is Murag Kami. Why label? Charot! Though Dayhag Falls is not really that fully developed, ang kapresko ug kabugnaw sa tubig will already satisfy ug unsa ang inyong gipangita nga kabugnaw sa kainit sa panahon. The simplicity and your connection to nature will make your experience very relaxing. It is like you are being fantasized while swimming in an enchanted forest. Since dili exclusive ang place, you will be able to meet new faces nga mo share sa area ninyo. Enjoy and make friends para everybody happy.
Ate sabi niya, one video. Joy, ano ba?
Dayhag Falls not only offers a relaxing place sa mga tourists, it also provides a refreshing escape for adventurous individuals. If ganahan ka mag-ambak-ambak, that area sa ilang kaliguan is safe. There is nothing more refreshing after the adventurous journey sa falls, kundi ang pag-relax, chika-chika sa friends, and the food you enjoy nga mapalitra sa area. In every laag, what is more important is dapat safe mo while enjoying. And while enjoying, dapat responsible pud ka as a tourist. Just like the famous quote, take only pictures and memories, Live only footprints. Thank you so much, Dayhag Falls. Asa kaha ang sunod nga laan. Always remember to live your life to the fullest and create your own stories.
Wow!